Right. So now at the moment we have a small problem in our covering system, which is this. So as long as I go straight towards the cover and take cover, it works fine. I can go this way or that way, but if I reach the cover in an angle like this, it doesn't work properly. See? So we need to fix that problem. So if I right, let's open one of the scripts. It will open other scripts as well. And when I press C, I do this toggle cover. If I am not in a cover, if I am in a cover, this is what I do. I go out of the covering. If I am not in a cover, this is what I do. I do a raycast from the forward of the mesh, and then based on the hit data, I move my character like this. Here this movement part is not a problem. The problem is the rotation part. I also have to rotate my character to match with this, to align with the normal of this hit. Right, so here we can find the rotation like this. uh, what transform to rotate. End value should be hit. I don't think I want to. Let's try this, hit dot normal, and this should be minus, otherwise my character will rotate to the wall. Let's see about that. And the time is 0.2f. Let's see what happens now. I'm not sure if I did the coding part right. Yeah, okay, that's not right. I should rotate the mesh only. Nope. Right, so this would be something like 100 or minus 100 kind of a value, because I just printed it here, and this is what I get. So just put in here, just put in this normal, as the end value wouldn't work because it should be something larger. So I need a way to convert this vector into a rotation. So how can I do that? Well, there is something called find look at rotation. How do I get it? Alright, it's like this. Quaternion look rotation. Now I can use hit dot normal. Let's just how to use it. Is there a way to use a quaternion? Demesh transform to rotate quaternion. Okay, maybe this might help. Oh, wait a minute. So this one has let's put this into a variable quaternion q. Now here let's define a vector 3. I don't want to rotate the character in x or z around x or z axis, so 0 and here q dot y. Let's try this as 0. Let's see what happens now. Don't think it worked. Oh, let's forget about this smooth rotation thing. Let's just set this directly. If it is correct, we can find a way to transform smoothly. Right, it did work, but this should be reverted. So even if I reach this curve in an angle, it properly aligns with the wall like this. See, let's reach the cover like this and still it's properly aligned. Okay, so now how to smoothly rotate. Right, now here I think we have T-mesh transform to rotate quaternion. Right, this is the one we should use. Q.2f. Now it will not it will smoothly rotate instead of snapping. We can comment this part now. Let's see. Right, that's what I wanted. Now I can move to sides without any issue. Okay, so let's clean up the code. One more thing. What happens if my cover has some angle like this? Let's see. See, now that's a problem. So to avoid that, I don't need to print the hit normal anymore. Let's see. we should be able to modify. Let's try modifying q dot x to 0 and q dot z to 0, so x and z components are 0. Then let's see, then I think it should stay straight instead of slanting. Yeah, now it's not happening anymore. Okay, so alright, I'll rotate this back and with that I'll stop this episode, and thanks for watching. So the project files will be available through the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below, and if you like to support my work you can get the membership of the Patreon club. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.